Stuck. So I've been with Zulily for 5 years. I'm a lead editorial stylist, so it's pretty fun. Anything you can imagine, we've seen, so yeah. I really like our home stuff, and we have furniture, organizational stuff, decor, fun stuff you can use to decorate your house, travel stuff. I have a fashion and apparel background, so this is like completely different than that.
What kind of things do you look for that kind of really speak to you?
I normally look for things that are really different that I haven't seen somewhere else. Something that I know will serve like a good function and is at a really great price. So,
if you want to take a look at our first one you got.
Yes. Do you guys want me to just dive in? I mean, my nails are kind of long.
She's got the skills.
So like I said, I like to buy organizational stuff. So I think that's mostly what this is. I got a few things recently, so it could be a few of many things. Yep, organizational stuff. I got this 3-piece accessory organizer, which it might be hard to see with the glare. I can take this off. So these are like little containers that you can put into your drawers or your closet to organize stuck. To organize shirts and different things. I have bought these before, so I'm not gonna lie, this isn't the first time I bought them on Zulily. One of my main goals this year was to organize my clothes. Like I said, being like from a fashion background, I've kind of been collecting clothes for a long time. And I don't wanna say hoarding, but I'm trying to get rid of things that I haven't worn in the past year. So I got rid of a ton of stuff, and then I wanted to reorganize everything I had in my closet. I started buying little organization containers to kind of be like, okay, you get this many t-shirts in this drawer. So it kind of limits me, and when I buy something new, I can get rid of something I know I'm not wearing.
So you literally have the box for my stuff that
yeah.
you need? Stuff
Yes.
to go out. That's
exactly.
perfect.
So it kind of just helps me realize how much stuff I have and then know where it all is. So these are like pretty cool. They come like flat, so you can, if you don't want to use them, they're like flat. And then you slide in these and they like stand up. These ones are different than the ones I got before because they're printed.
Browsing Zulily, you found them?
Yeah, we have a lot of events on the site that are like categorized for different purposes, and this was one that was like organize your home from like kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, I think garage maybe or something. So I just clicked in the bedroom one, and I knew that was like what I was focusing on, was organizing my closet. So that's where I found these ones. I think these ones will probably be good for tank tops because they're small. I feel like 7 or 8 would probably fit in each one. And then this one I'll probably use for t-shirts, like rolling them up really small and then putting them in your drawer so you can kind of see everything. I have like thicker drawers, so I even have some where I have them like stacked on top of each other, which is a lot easier when it's like this to find what you're looking for instead of like clothes stacked all on top of each other. And I have 2 roommates and we share a lot of clothes, so I can always tell if someone's gone through my stuff, so.
And they can hopefully know where to put it back.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually,
Actually, I have another thing in here.
Oh, excellent.
Which is kind of random, but like I said, I have 2 roommates. Organizing our bathroom and makeup and everything is always like a struggle too. You stick this on your mirror or in your shower. I think we're gonna use it in our shower for our razors, because those are the one thing that's like always falling off the bathtub, and like the razor head's falling off into the drain, and it's just something that we always have a hard time organizing. So this we can each put our razor in one, and like it's not flapping around in the bathtub. You can use it for like toothbrushes or makeup brushes. I mean, these could be, it holds up to 2 pounds, and normally that stuff is pretty light. So it's like my pet peeve when like I'm in the shower and everything's like falling. I think everyone experiences that, especially if you have roommates or like a kids or a husband that have like a ton of stuff in the shower. So it's definitely, I'm excited to go home and organize. I was really excited when I got my first one, and I feel like those drawers are organized. Now I just have another set of drawers to
Now
organize.
you got the momentum going. And
Oh,
just
yeah.
line in.
Yeah. Okay, this one isn't organizational. It's, I mean, it's still functional, but if it's what I think it is. All right, yep, one of the Yetis. So I picked up this Yeti because everyone knows Yeti. It's known for its keeping stuff hot or keeping stuff cold. Here in Ohio, we have a ton of different temperatures all the time, so I like that it's usable for both. It'll be perfect for iced coffee or warm coffee, even water if you're going on a hike or something. Yeti's a pretty popular brand, and I was really excited when we started running it on the site at a discounted price. I was like, yeah, I can pick up one finally, because I've been wanting one for a while. They're super durable, dishwasher safe, and they don't like get the sweaty marks on them, because I know, like, I don't know, I hate when I have a ring on my desk. I've been wanting a Yeti for a long time, and it's not something we've always ran on the site. Kind of more of a splurge when it comes to a water bottle or a coffee container. Because it was on the site, I was like, why not? I'll go for it. Push it this way. Thanks for watching my unboxing. Make sure you guys subscribe and click the bell notifications.